Welcome back to Rockin' Ron Garage. I'm finally back, finally getting off my lazy butt and making another video. Told myself that Mustang is not going to put itself together. So it's me and you guys, and that's it. I got some parts built up, some future videos, which I might bring up at the end. I don't know yet. You've seen what we've done to it. Bought a new trans, put the motor and trans in it together. Radiator, fan, got it hooked up, got it fired up, got it running pretty good too. We cleaned up the floor pan, sanded it, primed it, painted it, got it looking good. We did the trunk area, sanded it, primed it, trunk painted it, got it looking real good. Slapped these wheels on it, good deal. Now we are going to continue working inside the car. That's my best bet right now, trying to get it all done internally the best I can. What we're going to do is get this thing cleaned out first and foremost, because it has been a catch-all as of late. And we're going to put this sound deadening on it, this peel and stick, Amazon brand. It's pretty good stuff. I did it in the Firebird, I did it in the Maverick. We're going to do it in the Mach 1. It's going to make it nice and quiet when we start driving this bad boy. So stay tuned. Come along for the ride as we continue on the Mach 1 build. 72 Mach 1 351 Cleveland Ram Air. It's a really nice car. I got to get this thing going. I got to get moving forward on it. I got to make some progress because I have been slacking. Ask anybody that knows me. Don't do that. So we're going to get it cleaned out. I'm going to get it slid out now that I have plenty of room in the garage. The Maverick's in storage. It'll come back at a later date. The Galaxy's in storage. It'll come back at a later date. We'll see how the Firebird does, and we'll see how the Model A does. I got a lot of stuff to do. But hey, got all the time in the world. I'm still young. No. So let's get after it, see what we can get done. Let's make some progress. We're going to eat this elephant one bite at a time, okay? Me and you guys. So stick with me. Let me get this thing all squared away. And we'll get something done on this bad boy, and we'll be driving it one day too. I hope. Yeah, we'll see. All right. I finally broke down and bought some skates for the garage. They work really good. Really good. Sorry about the loud noise. It makes moving the car in here so much easier. Watch this. Pretty easy, ain't it? Pretty easy. Really easy. I got to get some lights in there, GoPro set up on the windshield, and get something done. But you know, first I got to put on the old gloves. I got the heater in the background, the electric heat up top there. I don't know if you can hear it. I'll know at the video. I had the gas heat on, but it's kind of loud. So for sake of driving you guys crazy, I'll freeze, because it's only like 7 degrees outside. I do that for you. It's the least I can do, right, for putting up with me. Got the GoPro. Got a fresh battery in it. We're gonna stick it somewhere. There, up there, down here. Yeah, I'll stick it up here when it's time. I got some more cleaning to do. There it is, the Mach 1. It's real dirty now. I gotta vacuum out all over here. That's an emergency brake. It's all seam sealed, painted, and ready to go, I say. Such a trooper. Say hi, Bobo. Say hi, good boy. You love Daddy? You love your daddy? I know you do. Let's get to some cleaning. Just a quick wipe down is all we're gonna do. We'll start off with this one. Stop it. What do you? There you go. This is the roller I'm going to be using. Works pretty good. A couple pieces of matting. That and that. And where I'm going to start it is like right here at the bottom of the steering column. No rhyme or reason, just seems a lot easier for me to do it that way. Tie up some of these wires. Just because they aggravate me from hanging down. I would cut them, but I don't know where they go. So I've done that all too often. There we go. So I'm gonna get a pair of scissors and a razor knife. Scissors, knife, roller. Ratchet. This part goes inside these real good. And here, it should be pretty good. We'll get it felt out. Okay, we'll get it. Just start it up. That's all we can do. Yeah. Because it does, it conforms pretty good. Maybe I should just start like right here. See how much, yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it to conform. Peel some off. Sorry about the noise. We'll put that baby right underneath. Get it set in this corner real good. Right there. I'll zoom in so you guys can see that real good. We'll take a rag. Not that you got to worry about ripping it. It is pretty tough. Put it on the end there. We'll do this corner. Press it up against the sidewall real good. Stuff works. Okay. Got that. Pull a little bit more out for you. Now we got a little ledge right here. We want to get that nice and conformed. We got some dips right here and right here. So all you got to do is you got to start working your way away from your initial contact point. So if you start in this corner right here, start rolling it out here. Get it to conform. There's one of those pieces, one of those dips. Put that sucker right in there. Yeah, because it'll conform everything, and it'll rip too, because it just did. Since I got a hole there. Yeah, I'll throw a patch on that. Yep. There we go. Work it on down. Trying to fit it into every little contour spot we got. See that hump? Gone. Piece number one. Now, you can decide on your own if you want to go over, start in the middle, fan out. Myself, I'm just winging it. I'm thinking, yep. Just rip it off. Like a Band-Aid, rip it off. Just get it stuck. This in here. Put this over here so you guys can see a little better. And we'll just do a slide. See how it contours to it? Pretty good. It sticks really good. This takes a lot of elbow grease. This one, you lay it like that. I think we're going to be in business. That one, this one's going to go up higher. I'm going to put that one a lot higher. See what my problems are going to be. Okay. Let's just go with it, right? Hope you can see that. Turn you a little bit. This one we're going to go up a little bit higher. Ouch. That corner is key. I'll start the other one right here and then fill that piece in. I got a smaller one over here. But yeah, that's what it takes. So if we have to, we're going to come up across to here. Get out another one. And we'll see the best layout. It won't lay out good that way. But it will do good this way with, yeah, minimal overlap. And I can get it down right in there. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, this one's going right in. Get it going right here at the edge. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with my initial, do one side, do that side, and then cover over the top so we can overlap. What do you think? Sure. This one here goes over the seat pan. Yeah, we're gonna be covering up some seat bolt holes, but so what? We'll find them. We'll find them. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm not gonna do what you think I'm gonna do. You guys know what movie that is, don't you? Half-Baked. That down there. Walk it, walk it. Okay, that's another one. See how easy it is? Just keep going. Keep rocking and rolling. We're gonna do this in here now. Right down, get some of that stuff out. Okay, this one here is gonna overlap. Just gonna do this, butt it to the edge, fold it up, and it's gonna overlap onto here. Because I went up farther on that side. That's gonna be all right. You know why? Because we're gonna make it work. We are gonna make it work. We're gonna butt too so we can sticky. Perfect. Moving on. This next piece and for my next trick, I'm gonna go right up to here. We're gonna do this back seat footwell. Then we're gonna go up to the back, under the back seat, and then we're gonna do trans tunnel. So the trans tunnel will go over the top of each one. This is going to be kind of a harder one because the way the floor is so not right. So I'll be doing a lot of slicing and dicing on this one. Maybe I can do this ahead of time. I do want to kind of overlap a little bit. So what I'll do, I'll find out, mark my area and see if I can fit that baby on in. Let's do some tunnel. Transmission tunnel. Pretty simple. Oh, it's a short piece. Let's cut. Bam, bam, bam. Piece of cake. Let's get this done. We have the back part done. Looks pretty good, huh? You can't even hardly tell it's overlapped. So, well, here it is. All done up. I think it turned out pretty good. It's got some gaps. Ain't gonna lie. Go check out the other side. Through the trunk, can't really see much. I think it looks good. It's gonna be nice and quiet. Well, there you go. Another video done. 72 Mustang Mach 1. Sorry for the delay on the videos, but life got in the way. So hopefully I can keep them going and get more and more done quicker, at least weekly, to keep you guys entertained or bored. Just keep watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to. Support the channel any way you possibly can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you real soon.